Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today I'll be showing you how you can track your product by using Inkybay. Also, it allows you to choose when to stop selling your products. It will work only for the custom products. To track inventory by using Inkybay, you have to go to your Inkybay application from your Shopify admin panel. Then go to the products, custom products, and then click on the edit button of your product. Scroll down. As you can see an option inventory under the restriction. Click on this inventory button. As you can see, my variants are showing here. This all variants 96 indicate the total variant of this particular product. Size comes from the size set that I have selected for this product. Color from the selected color set, and for the style one you have to go to your advanced settings and you can add style by clicking on create a new style if you want, but I am skipping this part for now. If you have a look on the variant, then you can see it's counting size, style and color. Here is an option filter. This filter are useful when you have a large number of variant. You can search the specific variant what you are looking for. Let's say here I am selecting size S, as I don't have any style for this product, so I am skipping style and I am selecting color white. As you can see, it's showing only S size white color t-shirt. These items in the cart shows the total number of variants of this product added to the cart. Each variant comes with an SKU field where you can use custom SKUs. You can see the SKU in order details in Inkybay admin and also in the downloaded order output file. If you keep the SKU field blank, then Inkybay would look for the SKU in your Shopify store for that product. You will see first SKU set in Shopify for that product in the order output file. For now, I am leaving it blank. In this track option, you can choose to track your variants. If you set it, then it will show the available quantity of the variant on the product page. You can set it one by one by clicking on the variant field, or else you can set it for all. To track all the variants, click on the top bar of the track and then wait for some second. Here you can see a button pop up, set all. Click on that button. As you can see, it selected all the variants, and then don't forget to save the change. This stop selling option is used when you want to stop selling before the stock is over. You can set it for each variant or for all the variants. For each variant, you have to enter the value where you want. Like here, I am entering 5. And if you want to set a particular number for all the variants, then click on the top of the bar and insert a number. Here I am inserting 10 and click outside the box. As you can see, a button pop up, set all. Click on this button and it has selected for all the variants. As I said before, items in cart shows the total number of variants of this product added to the cart. Here stock quantity shows the available individual quantity of each variant. You can add or modify your quantity here just by clicking on the field and insert the number. Here I am inserting 100 and then click on the outside of the box and click on the button set all. Set the same quantity for all the variants. It also displays the quantity of the variant added to the cart. I will discuss about this later. Under the actions, there are two options. set and add. If you enter the available quantity of variant and click on the set, as I am inserting 12 and clicking on the set, then it will replace the existing quantity as it's replacing. Here I am adding 20 and clicking on set. See, the quantity is replacing. And by using add button, you can add a number of quantity on your available stock. Here I am inserting 10 and clicking on add. As you can see, it's added 10 quantity and then save it. Now let's see the change in product page. Here you can see 90 available because I have chosen to stop my sale when there is 10 product left. And the most amazing part of the feature is it also displays the quantity of the variant added to the cart. To see this, we have to go to the designer lab. Here I am going to the designer lab and I have to add a design. Then I am selecting 20 for size medium and adding it to my cart. And then let's go back to my backend. As you can see here, size M black plus 20 added. It's because after adding to the cart, if your customer does not place the order within next 24 hours, then the product will again add to the stock. That's all about these features. Hope it helps. Thank you. Have a nice day.